Yeah, I initially grew up in Compton and Watts area, and I actually took pride from being from Compton. I initially got into financial services in 1999, and I instantly got really good at it. I think I got really good at it because I was passionate about helping families. You know, one of the things about finances that I learned is just like Monopoly. You ever play a game of Monopoly, there's always that one person that knows all the rules, but what most people do, they just kind of grab the dice and they roll them and they move however many paces that the dots dictate. Well, people do that in their finances as well. They just kind of roll the dice every single month. Why does that one guy know all the rules about Monopoly? Because they read the back of the box. That's pretty much it. And so I fell in love with sitting down with families and just, quite frankly, just showing them the back of the box. Show them the back of the box their finances, and then I began to help so many people, and the feeling that I would get in helping families and some of the things that they would tell me, how I was able to help them put their kids through college, help them have a life insurance with a financial program, and just put security in families' lives is what I love about financial services. So if you're looking to build a relationship, a solid relationship with a financial strategist, reach out to me. I'd love an opportunity to sit down with you and share a few options.